Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify the DUBIZZLE account. The first thing I want you to do is once you're logged into the DUBIZZLE account, come here at the top right and hover over your profile icon and your name, and you get this drop down. From here, click on my profile and you get redirected to this page. The first thing I want you to do is make sure that your first and last name is as per your ID. And then come here, click on get started, and they'll ask you to go ahead and upload a photo of both the back and front of your ID. So click here on get verified, and then you just need to go ahead and click on take photo. You can also use the app if you want to take the photo using your phone. You just scan the QR code right here for either your Android or Apple device, and then you take the photo from there. I'll click here on take photo, and then you just give permission to your camera for whatever device you're using, and then just place your ID at the front of the camera here. So allow while visiting the site. As you can see, we've allowed access to the camera, and once you're done, just go ahead and click on capture, and you'll do the same thing with the back of the ID. So come here, click on confirm, same thing at the back of the ID, click on take photo, and then click on capture. So make sure you take it appropriately, and then you go ahead and capture, click on confirm. And that is how to verify the DUBIZZLE account.